Hey folks, it's another day, another unboxing, and this time it's the OnePlus Bullet Wireless version 2. You know I unboxed the Bullet Wireless last year and made an ass of myself. It was a pretty funny video, I will link to it. In case you're wondering, this is a Bullet Wireless 2. And I want to point out that I'm not just unboxing this today, I'm also unboxing the OnePlus 7 Pro and generally the media kit that we journalists receive from OnePlus, so you can have a look at what it's like to get a special package as a journalist from a company. So check out those two unboxings. They'll be in the description and above here as well. So let's get started with these, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2. These are Bluetooth wireless headphones. They sound great. They've been vastly improved over their previous versions. They have aptX HD and balanced armature technology from Knowles. It's a big deal. Balanced armature is really the best way to do earbuds. So I'm very excited to see what these sound like. But there you have it. That's the box with a little tab here to put them on a display stand. And here we go. Dun, da, 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 psh, never settle. And there they are. This is cool because this is like printed on, but these two here, these two pieces, you can see how shiny. This is actually the earbuds. So I'm not quite sure how you open this. There's a little tab here. So I suppose that I can, oh, there we go. That's how it works. So here, free your music created together with our community heart. Nice, huh? Nice touch, as always with OnePlus. So we have a little tab. So let's pull on that little tab to open this up. Aha, you start seeing what this is going to look like, right? So let's see if there's some unboxing magic here. Let's pull on this and free up some stuff. So as you can see in here are some spare mushrooms, as I like to call them. And so I'm not going to take them out, but there they are, different sizes, small and large. I guess the mediums are already on here. And then we have a box, an insert with some documentation. Before we get to that though, let's have a look at this. Look, this is a nice package this time. Everything is easily accessible in the pouch. So all I have to do is pull on this, yep, and up they come out. Much easier to unbox than last year's. There is a little piece of paper here, by the way, and that's it for this box. So let's have a look at these earbuds. They're in their case like this. There's a little protective cover. That's exciting. Very similar to the little condom thingy that they provided last year for the original Bullets Wireless. So that hasn't really changed too much. And then we have the earbuds in here. Ta-da! So I'm going to pull on this and oh, surprise, there's a little charging cable. How nice. And look, you see the magnet? Wah, wah, wah. There is a little magnetized area up here. It's really nicely done. All right, so this cable looks like a tiny USB Type-C to Type-A cable, but it's obviously compatible with the super awesome warp charging technology. So there you go. I'm not going to get into this too much, but let's have a look at these. Magnetic tips. Again, I think this lets you do play pause by putting them together. And as you can see, they're attached here with some pieces that I'm not going to remove just this moment, but you can get a good feel for what they look like. So, you know, they go around your ears like this, around your neck, I mean, and then you put these two ends in your ears and off you go for great audio. So on one of the ears, there is a volume rocker, plus, minus, and play, pause, take call, answer call, hang up type button. And then on one of the sides here, you have the OnePlus logo. You can see a USB Type-C connector, a pairing button or power on button or both. And then, you know, this neck thing. And then this little pod has nothing on it. So that's it, folks. That's the Bullets Wireless 2 from OnePlus. Before we go, let's take a look at what was in the documents here. So we've got a OnePlus Bullets Wireless pamphlet. Really nice. Check this out. With some materials. Tells you how to use everything, how to set everything up, how to stick them in your ear. and all that good stuff. So that's cool, right? This was the user guide, by the way, and this is now the safety information. So nothing too exciting about that. And that, friends, is what you get. Again, this is just an unboxing. I'm going to give you more thoughts about this once I start using them with the OnePlus 7 Pro, and you're going to need to listen to the podcast for that. MobileTechPodcast.com is where we live, so check it out. We're on all the big platforms: Google, Apple, Pocket Cast, Overcast, TuneIn Radio, Spotify. Awesome. You should check it out, mobiletechpodcast.com. And then please subscribe to this channel, like this video, tell your friends, watch the rest of my videos. Again, I have 2 other videos, OnePlus 7 Pro unboxing and the kind of the media kit unboxing, so you can check that out. And then finally, I want to thank our sponsor, ProXPN. ProXPN is a professional grade VPN. If you're like me, you travel a lot, you value privacy and your security, but you sometimes have to hop on to open hotspots. They're pretty great to protect you. So I like using them. And if you want a deal, 50% off in the description below is the deal you can get with ProXPN. So if you're looking for a good VPN, they're the ticket. ProXPN. Thanks for being sponsors, folks. And then stay tuned for more videos and unboxings on the channel here. Bye, everyone.